Hello, I am back again with yet another PowerPoint hack. This time, I would like to show you how to integrate LaTeX into Microsoft PowerPoint to create beautifully typed equations. I'm an avid lover of LaTeX, but my love for LaTeX is not blind. One of the reasons I prefer Microsoft PowerPoint over Beamer, the PowerPoint counterpart in LaTeX, is because of its easiness to create engaging presentations. But needless to say, I have no opinion on the default equation editor that comes along with Microsoft PowerPoint. And that's the reason why I have created this video. To integrate LaTeX into Microsoft PowerPoint, we use a PowerPoint add-in known as IguanaTeX. But before we begin, I'll show you a couple of slides that I have created using IguanaTeX and PowerPoint. We begin by searching for IguanaTeX in Google. Here there is a download link from where we can download the IguanaTeX PowerPoint add-in. I have saved it into my desktop. So this is what we get when we download the IguanaTeX add-in for PowerPoint. Now let us introduce the add-in into the PowerPoint ribbon. For that, what we have to do is to reduce the window size first and then go to File, Options, Add-ins, PowerPoint Add-ins, Go, then press Add New. Now a new window will open. It is this folder where all the add-ins has to be stored. Therefore, what we do is that we will drag and drop the IguanaTeX add-in file into this folder and then press OK. Now we can close this window. Now you can see that the IguanaTeX has been introduced into the PowerPoint window. In the next step, we have to create a temporary directory for IguanaTeX to work. So let's make a temporary directory in the C drive. After creating the temporary directory, we can press New LaTeX Display to generate the equation. The document class is article and it has added the package AMS Math into the default LaTeX environment. In addition to that, I would recommend adding Xcolor and EMF equation, which is basically used to write an equation inside a box. Now we can try writing an equation. If you want to edit this equation, we can press this equation and press Edit LaTeX Display. We can resize the equation by changing the number inside this box. If you want to change the color, or if you want to put the equation inside a box, if you want to write the equation in an equation environment, we can write the code and then generate the equation with number. If you do not want the number for the equation, In case if you want a specific number for your equation, add if we write a new equation, the previous settings will be lost. We can make the previous settings default by pressing Make Default. Now when we try to create a new equation, the default setting will pop up. If there are any errors in the equation, the iguana-tech is going to show a dialog like this. If the equation is long and complex, debugging it in the default window that is provided by iguana-tech will be difficult. So in that case, what we can do is to press Open External Editor. So in that case, that is going to open the default text editor that has been installed in this computer. And then we can find out the point where there is error, copy that equation and paste into iguana-tech. To smoothen the workflow, the trick that I adopt is to write the equation in my original LaTeX distribution installed in my Windows and then copy paste it into iguana-tech. For example, I can very well write the equation and copy it into my iguana-tech. The advantage of using an external editor is that it will be giving us suggestions so that the workflow will be easier. What we have seen just now is one of the techniques by which we can integrate LaTeX and PowerPoint. I hope you will try it on your own and create beautifully typed equations. And thank you very much for watching.